Hello everyone, my name is Avneet, and in this video I am going to talk about the IB Institute, the course that they provide about financial modeling and valuations. I'm an economics honors graduate. I cleared the CFA level 1 in the May of 2023, and post my CFA level 1 I failed to crack a finance job despite having the qualifications, but I lacked the practical skills that are needed in today's industry. Therefore, someone in my friend circle suggested me the IB Institute that is based in New Delhi, and I visited the faculty there. I had a very long and fruitful session with Ankur sir, and post the session I joined the institute and I took their financial modeling and valuation program that continues for about 3.5 months. The course is very well designed, and both the tutors are very well equipped with the basic to advanced knowledge, and they provide everything with starting from the basic Excel all the way to the interviews, and even once you have landed a job in core finance they'll also assist you post your joining date. Like, there are a lot of things when one joins in a corporate world that are new to someone, and the institute provides after placement services as well. Coming back to the course is very thoroughly designed. There are a lot of topics that they touch, starting from the very basics of Excel, going up all the way to merger and acquisition, LBO analysis, as well as all the types of valuation techniques. They also have 4 and 5 models, that out of which they'll teach you one model, and the remaining 4 you'll have to work on yourself starting from the scratch. The institute also helps regarding the overall personality development as well as with the resume preparation. During my time with the institute, I cracked 2 or 3 jobs, and after the suggestion of Manoj sir, I took the offer from an MNC, and I'm currently working in an MNC at a very well reputed company at a decent enough package, considering like I was failing to get a job even after level 1 of CFA. Post this, therefore in this video I highly endorse the institute as well as the tutors. If anyone who has a liking for core finance and is lacking the relevant skills, or is failing to crack an interview, or is just starting it out in finance, I highly recommend the IB Institute as well as their financial modeling and valuation program. In case anyone has further doubts and queries, they can always reach out to me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much.